I am studying electrical engineering and I'm a PhD student. We are fighting bravely against another outbreak of COVID-19 in Xi'an. I want to start with a salute to all the doctors, paramedical staff, teachers, and the security staff of Xi'an Yunivers for their endless 24-hour services. I'm living inside the campus. I am the part-time counselor in the school. I, along with all the teachers, arrange daily stuff, food arrangement, market visit arrangement, nucleic acid test arrangement. For example, every week 2 times, we visit the supermarket and we buy stuff and then we bring it back and distribute between them. Every night, we visit all the students and talk to them if they need anything, daily necessity needs, or if they have any worry or some psychological needs, we talk to them. Most important thing that I want to mention, in this COVID period, our university has imposed a smart lockdown within the campus. No staff, whether they are working in the canteen or the security staff or the teachers, they are all living inside the campus. And from this, you can know that everyone within the campus helping the student 24 with their 24-hour services. I personally believe every person within the campus, they are doing a great job in the fight against the COVID-19 another outbreak.